Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
First, to understand our question, the program has to accept the integer R and C and the integer matrix of size R cross C, and then it has to accept the integers X and Y. So after getting all the inputs, the program must print the product of the elements in X row from left to right and Y row from right to left. So first we are going to accept the integer matrix of size r cross c and the integers x and y, and get the product of x row from left to right and the y row from right to left. Now we'll take our first test case. So in this test case we have a 4 cross 6 matrix, and x is 2 and y is 4. So now let us get the second row, and this is the fourth row. So now we have to get the product between them. So for the x row, it is from left to right, and for the y row, it is from right to left. So we'll get the product like this, that is 4, 3, then 3, 9, and so on. So for first one, it is 7 into 7, it is 49, then 4 into 3, it is 12, then 3 into 9, 27, and 7 into 6, 42, 6 into 1, 6, then 8 into 8, 64. So finally, this will be our output. Now we'll take our another test case. So in this test case, we have a 7 cross 4 matrix, and x is 6 and y is 1. Now we'll take the sixth row, and then we have the first row. So now we'll get the product 50 into 40. So 50 into 40 is 200, then 60 into 30, and so on. So 50 into 40, and then 60 into 30, and then 70 into 20, and then 80 into 10. Yeah, this will be our output. Now we'll understand the logic of this program. First we have to accept our inputs, the integer r and c representing the number of rows and columns, and then we'll get the integer matrix of size r cross c, and then we'll get the integer x and y. So after getting all our inputs, now we have to get the product. So for that, we have to iterate over column. So for column from 0 to column C, and here For the X row, it is from left to right, and for the Y row, it is from right to left. So in order to mention that, we'll have it like we have to print the product of the matrix of x minus 1 and column into matrix of y minus 1 and c minus column minus 1 and use end argument. So here this matrix x minus 1 column represent the x row, and this y minus 1 c minus column minus 1 will represent the y row, and finally we'll get the product.